Good morning. My name is David Andrés Ramirez. I am civil engineer student at the Uniagraria University of Colombia. I studied 7 semesters. I'm going to talk to you about structural steel. Structural steels is a category of steel used of making construction materials in a variety of shapes. Many structural steel shapes take the form of an elongate bit having a profile of a specific cross section. Common structural shapes. The shapes available are described in many published standards worldwide, and the number of specialists and proper cross section are also available. I've been in set shape, HCC shape, angle, structural shape or C-beam or cross section, T, right profile, bar, along base with a rectangular cross section, but not so wide so as to be called a sheet. And rod, a run of square section, lot comprised to it with cereals, river, and dowel. Plate, metal sheet, thicker than 6 or 1/4 inch. Open weight steel joist. Steel used for building construction in the USA use standard alloy identified and special by. These steel have an alloy identification beginning with and 2, 3, or 4 numbers. Structural steel strength having had strength, stiffening, toughness, and ductile properties. Structural steel is one of the most commonly used material in commercial and industrial building construction. Constructability structural steel can be built into nearly and shape which are they bolt or weld together in construction. Fire resistance, steel inherently no combustible material. However, when held to temperature seen in a fire scenario, the strength and stiffening of the material is significant reset. Corrosion. Steel, when in contact with weather, can corrode, create and potentially dangerous structure. Measures must be taken in structural steel construction to prevent any lifetime corrosion. Thermal property. The property of steel vary widely depending on its allowing element. The austin temperature, the temperature where a steel transferred to an austin Christian structure. Manufacturing. Cutting workpiece to length is usually done with a bad saw. I mean, the drill line has long been considered an indispensable way to drive holes and mill slot into pins. Channel and HSS element, CNC beam, drill lines are tropical equipped with feed conversions and position sensors to move the element into position for drilling, plus probing capability to determine the precise location where the hole or slot is to be cut.